welcome back to my channel. This is Vernice. Today I'm going to show you a freehold unit at Putra Permai Putra Heights Section 10. This is a 24x75 unit, fully extended, facing open and gated guarded. No worries about parking. Here's the living. You have two livings. Room number 1, you can use as study room, guest room. Here's the dry kitchen, extended kitchen and one room from this point. This is the small room, room number 2. Show you the condition of back lane. Common toilet. Let's proceed to first floor. The wooden flooring still very well maintained. Family hall, 3 rooms set upstairs. This is the master bedroom with attached shower, not facing houses. Here's the airwell area. They've been covered into a walk-in wardrobe or a baby room. Now proceed to the extended small room at upstairs. Both rooms are extended with attached shower. The room looks bigger or similar to master bedroom size. And both rooms are with ensuite bathroom. Very convenient for big family. All extensions are with approval. For viewing or listing, please call 016-989-3389. See you in next video. Bye!